Hi guys, welcome back to your another reading. Let's get into it. I just saw 2266, so that could be significant for some of you. Okay. Okay, straight away I just oh my god. While shuffling, you guys also saw the Two of Cups, and I just got a feeling that Two of Cups is going to come out. Okay. I was going to say the exact same thing. Right away, what I do feel is that you are moving into the next step of your relationship with your person. So, this is not for everybody, first of all. Only if you are in talking terms with your person, even if you're not, I feel like you will know if this is for you. You will just know if this is for you. Your gut feeling will tell you if this is for you. And this is definitely a love reading. So, if you guys are not interested, you can like skip. Wait for other video that is going to come very soon as well. Let me adjust my hairs. So, very soon, you're moving towards the next step of your relationship with your person. Triple one, as I said, that some of you are moving towards moving from hyper independence to a solidified, committed relationship, to hyper commitment. From hyper independence to hyper commitment. That's what this relationship is going to be about. And you guys are literally doing this in the fraction of seconds. So this is going to change in the fraction of seconds. So when the time is right, when it's like, okay, I just heard, you and your person both need to learn some lessons before you can get into this commitment. So what I do feel from this energy is that you're right on the verge, like you guys are here, but you just need to learn like one lesson. Your person just needs to learn like one lesson, and the moment the two of you learn the lesson, boom, both of you together in a committed relationship. So it's gonna happen like in a blink of second, but you just need to learn the lesson. You just need to focus on learning the lesson. You guys, this is so good, this is so perfect. This relationship is going to be perfect because I'll tell you why. We have the Nine of Pentacles, which talks about financial independence, which talks about financially, emotionally, and in all areas of your life, being independently happy on your own first. Ten of Pentacles talks about commitment together, taking things forward to the next level. This is like a happily ever after sort of a card, but financially very better. So you also have your, like, this is the couple who has their finances set. This is the couple who has everything set emotionally. This is the couple who is not codependent on each other. It is like, I am complete, you are complete, let's just love each other. It's not like I need something from you, you need something from me, so let's be in a like codependent relationship. This is not that. This is very healthy. This is like, I love you, you love me, I don't need anything from you, but yes, these are my expectations from my life partner. Okay, this is me, these are my expectations from my life partner. I feel like I can give it to you. I feel like yes, I can give it to you as well, and then just boom, together. But even if a person is not able to give it to you, you're like, okay, I can make myself happy regardless. So it's like, even if my partner is not able to show up for me in a relationship, I can still make myself happy because I'm not codependent on my partner for them to make me happy in a relationship. I'm still happy on my own because my happiness comes from myself and God, and my hobbies and my career, and also what my partner is adding into my life. So my life is already perfect, but because I have a partner, they are just adding onto my life something extra. But why am I in a relationship with this person is because I love them, not because they are giving me something to make me happy. Now, if you feel like that's your energy, then this is the reading for you. Now, some people like literally mistake unconditionally being for somebody even after they disrespecting you as unconditional love. Some people take it like, okay, that person cheated on me, but I still love them, I'm so much unconditionally in love with them. You just don't respect yourself. You just don't respect yourself. That's a fact. Because you can still love people from distance, you can still love people if you're not in a relationship with them. But if you are wanting to be in a relationship with somebody, and if that person is cheating on you and you're still with them, if that person is disrespecting you, still with them, that is not love, my friend. That is codependency and not disrespect to yourself. It's a hard pill to swallow, but take it. But this relationship that I'm talking about, these cards that I'm talking about, this is a healthy couple. This is a healthy couple. You are about to get into a very healthy relationship. If you're watching this and if you feel like that is your energy, you are about to get into a very healthy relationship. Very healthy relationship. And Two of Cups, it's like mutual love, mutual efforts, equal give and take. It's pretty much mutual. I don't even want to pull like any more cards. This is it. These are the cards, and I'm done with the reading. If you're watching this, you are about to get into a very healthy relationship. A very healthy relationship. Let's get one card at least. Okay, and you don't see this coming. Guys, literally, oh my god, all of your worries around love and relationship and commitment and home life is about. That's why I like to shuffle on screen. What the heck is this? Okay, I'll tell you. No more stress, no more feeling stuck, no more feeling like things are at pause. Your wishes are coming true around your family, home life, relationship, and love. I want to scream so bad. What is this? Oh my goodness. Like, literally, you have done everything on your own to make yourself happy. This is the time when you celebrate. This is the time when you have your person, your family, your home, your house. Oh, some of you are literally getting married also, or you're meeting the person that you're going to get married to. I have been channeling the same message from a lot of days lately. So, if you're coming from that energy and from that warrior, this is for you. Oh my god. I'm so happy for you. Like, oh my god, I'm the craziest self right now. Please, excuse me, but I'm just happy for you. Alright, you're about to celebrate something. You're about to get married. You're about to get into a committed relationship, a very healthy relationship. I don't sugarcoat at all. If you know me, you know me. I don't sugarcoat at all. But this is crazy. Like, I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. And you don't see this coming. So it's like, I feel it in my gut that something is about to happen, that I'm seeking a relationship, that I'm seeking a good relationship, but I'm making myself happy, but I am lonely and alone, and I don't know, I don't see anything coming ish. It is for a reason. Because what's even a surprise if it's not hidden, right? So I'm so happy for you. So I hope this helps. That's where I want to end this. I don't want to spoil your gift surprise any longer. This is the message. If this is showing up on your feed, and if you feel like everything that I've mentioned, and it's not even just about feed, because if you're my regular watcher, my videos are going to show up on your feed. My videos will get recommended to you. But like I mentioned, if you're already in the energy of a Nine of Pentacles, like I mentioned in the video, it's like independently making yourself happy, financially independent, emotionally independent. You want a relationship because you want to, like, you need a companion and not a parent, or not somebody to just like love you and feed you, make you happy and validate you and give you all of that. You need a companion. It's like, I love myself, but I love you as well. And that person is exactly like you. Like, I love myself, but I love you as well. And together, you guys are creating something. So, if you feel like that's your energy, and if you are like grown up, and this is my videos, okay, I will just give a disclaimer. I know a lot of teenagers watch my video, and I get it. And I get it. A lot of my videos resonate with you all as well. I know. But a lot of videos that I make around relationship, career, family orientation, and also a lot more things cannot be for people below 16 years of age, right? No matter, even if you are in a relationship, and I agree that my readings do resonate with you all. But when I'm talking about such things, do not take it. Do not. Do not. Because you are just going to like start expecting something then from your relationship, and then you will get your heart broken. This is strictly not for the people below 16 years of old, right? So please, okay, do not get yourself heartbroken. because I have been in your shoes. I used to watch tarot when I was a kid, when I was like just 16, 15. And then I used to be like, oh my god, a relationship. And then I got my heart broken. And no, 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 no. 10, 10, as I said that. Always listen to me. Okay? So this is not for you guys, right? But regardless, focus on becoming the Nine of Pentacles. If you are below 15, 16, 14, 13, whatever your age is, if you're watching this, if you're watching me, focus on becoming the Nine of Pentacles. If you don't know who a Nine of Pentacles is, go search on Google who is a Nine of Pentacles, what are the characteristics of a Nine of Pentacles. Become this, so that eventually as you grow up, you attract this and not broken relationships. So that as you move forward in your life, you don't attract broken, half of the efforts from the relationship, so that you don't settle for less, so that you don't get yourself heartbroken, and so that you just attract what is this and not what is like the Lovers in reverse, the Two of Cups in reverse, and the Tower, the Three of Swords, and a lot of that. 11, 11, as I said that. Okay, so I think that's all that I have for you guys. Let me know if this resonated. Let me know if this was your reading. Also, all of my teenagers, I am not getting angry. I'm just like, I know how it feels. I know. I have been in your age, I have been in your shoes, and I know how it feels. And if you're taking tarot readings so much seriously and applying it to your like 2 months old relationship, this is going to break your heart. And I'm just so much concerned for you all. Let me know if you guys are watching this, and let me know your age as well. Okay, that's all I have. Let me know. Sending you so much love and light. If you want to connect with me on one-on-one sessions for personal readings, you can DM me on Instagram. The link of my Instagram is in the description, or you can book that from the link in the bio, or not, yeah, bio of my Instagram. But the link for my website from which you can book the reading is given in the description box as well. Right? So we'll see you in the next one. Sending you love and light. Take care.